Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about the fun facts about every country in the world. Part number one, we'll see the name starting from alphabet in B. Afghanistan is the country where ancient history meets the modern resilience. Is the country where Afghanis celebrate their birthdays on January 1st. Mostly. The flag of the country has been changed about 20 times in the last 1 or 2 years. Next country is Albania, which is called as Land of Eagles. Eagles are found there. 7 layered concrete bunkers are there. 3 meters in the diameter and 2 to 3 meters in height. Algeria is one of the largest country in Africa. The Sahara is the largest hot desert in the world. Make 4/5 of the country's area. Its national animal is fennec fox. Algeria's 90% area is uninhabited while 10% area is inhabited land. Angola is the 7th largest country within Africa at having 32.7 million population. It is fastest growing economy within the growth rate of 70%. Angola is known as the most expensive capital city of the world. The cost of living of there is too high. Antigua and Barbuda, they are known for the naming of the highest peak of the country to Barack Obama, despite of the fact that he never visited that particular place. It having 365 beaches, as well as later on the name was changed back to its own name, Bogey Peak. Chess is the part of the school curriculum in Argentina, and its 5 presidents were changed within the 2 weeks. So this is also a record. In Armenia, chess is a part of the primary school curriculum, as well as teach people to play. Australia is having largest number of national parks, which are 685, more than any country. Austria is the Europe's tallest waterfall containing land. Austria is famous for its social tradition of eye contact. Austria is also known for having gorgeous geological garden. It is also known for one of the oldest flags in the world. A well-known famous personality, German dictator Adolf Hitler, was born in Austria. It's home of him. World's largest KFC is present in Azerbaijan. It is known for its because it covers 1600 square meter area. Pig Beach is present in the Bahamas. It is known for having about trillions of pigs who keep on floating on the water. Next is Bahrain. Bahrain's Prime Minister Khalifa bin Salman Khalifa, who took oath in 1970 till 2020 till his death. He was the longest serving prime minister ever observed. He passed away in November 2020. So Bangladesh, when it comes to the Bangladesh, they have a record of making longest human chain that includes about 5 lakh plus participants who made a long chain all the way covering about 1050 kilometers. Barbados